Hello there and welcome to this new exciting tutorial. Today, we are going to learn how to add cash on delivery, also called COD, on Shopify. Now here, I'm already logged in to my Shopify store and I want now to show you how to add cash on delivery here. So you'll come to the left hand side and down here you'll see settings. You'll click on that. In case you don't seem to find that, you can search for settings at the top here. You simply type the word settings. So you click on settings down here on the left hand side, and then you will see all these details about your store and then the billing and the payment part. Then this is the part that we want to look for, the payments. So you click on payments and that will open the payment for Shopify. And then you scroll down, you have the supported payment methods down here. You notice currently we have the PayPal that is supported here. We have other payment methods that you can add here. And then we have payment capture method. This is an automatic one at checkout. You simply authorize and capture payment when an order is placed. And then now, because you want to add cash on delivery, you simply come down here on manual payment methods and you simply click on add manual payment method. You click on that and then you notice it opens this part: create custom payment method, bank deposit, money order. Then you have the cash on delivery, also called COD. So you'll click on that, COD. And then now here, you now give additional details here. So this part, the first part, displays to customers when they are choosing a payment method. And then the second part, which is payment instructions, it displays to customers after they place an order with this payment method. So the first one displays when they are choosing the payment method, while the second one displays after they place an order. So you give the details here. For instance, you can type here, use this method to pay once you receive your order. And then you can give instructions who they are going to pay to, maybe pay to the courier, or you can give whichever other details you need. And then I'm just going to copy paste this, but you can add different instructions here so that this one will display after the customer has placed an order with this payment method. I just want to repeat the same. And then you now click on activate cash on delivery. Click on that. So you notice down here, cash on delivery has been activated. Now, in case you later on want to change a few things about your cash on delivery, you will now not click on manual payment method. Instead, you'll come here. You notice now we have cash on delivery. You'll click on that and it takes you back here. You now notice you can still edit this. You can now still edit your instructions here. Maybe you have, remember there are some details you needed to add here, maybe A, B, C, D, something. You just add that and you can save. So in future, you don't need to be clicking on add. You simply click on the top here and edit. Now, let's come to our product and see how our payment method looks like. So I'm going to close this. And then, so if we come back to my payment method, you'll now notice that we have our payment method, cash on delivery, added here. But as you may notice, cash on delivery method of payment is very, very risky. So there is some more settings that you can add to ensure that even as you trade with cash on delivery on Shopify, you are safe. So to do that, you still do the same. You simply come to payments, then you scroll down and then you come to payment method customization, and this will help control how payment methods appear to your customers at checkout. So you click on view payments method customization apps and it will bring you here. So you notice here, these are apps that integrate seamlessly with Shopify admin, allowing you to customize payments. So you notice we have receipt, we have the COD King, and this is the one that I would advise you to use because it reduces fake CODs by verifying phone numbers via OTP. So you'll click on that, COD King, and then you notice the details down here. If you use this one, you need to confirm cash on delivery orders through one-time password or link on SMS and WhatsApp, and this reduces fake orders. And then cash on delivery fees, they charge extra fee if customer places cash on delivery order. They show or hide COD on checkout based on the parameters, and then you can send a one-time OTP. You can convert your COD orders to prepaid by giving discount, and this is only supported in India. So you'll click on install and then click on install app at the top here, and then you can select the plan. You can go for the free one, this one, select plan down here, and then you can click on add charge information. So in this case, we won't charge anything for test SMS, charge for the number sent to this, and all the details, you see them there. And then you click on approve so that Code King will be added to your Shopify store. So once someone comes now to your products, if you go back to products, so you notice we have the boots, we have the Roman soldier wall painting. So if we possibly want to buy this one, you click on that. And now if we want to buy the product, or if a customer wants to buy the product, they simply come and add that to cart, or even click on buy now. And then for the app that you have already added, they'll be required possibly to either, depending on how you set up your app, they may be required to verify their phone number or their email, depending on the setup that you will make. So if later on you need to change a few things about your cash on delivery method, you still do the same. You come to settings, and then you come to payments, and then you'll scroll down up to where we have the cash on delivery. You can click on that, and then you can now change these settings here. And in case maybe for some reason you now don't want to be using cash on delivery on your Shopify store, you simply follow the same procedure. But once you get here, you will click on deactivate cash on delivery. So you click on that. So then you confirm your account details will be saved, and you can reactivate cash on delivery anytime. So you confirm, deactivate. And now you notice our manual method here for cash on delivery has been removed. And to add it, you simply follow the same process, add manually, then you click on cash on delivery, follow the same procedure, and you notice if you had done it before, maybe once, the details you had added here do not change. So you don't have to type them again. That means you can deactivate this for some time. And now you want to reactivate it, you click on reactivate, and then your cash on delivery will be reactivated. Finally, what are some of the reasons that would make you choose cash on delivery over the other payment methods on Shopify? This is simply because there are some regions that, or some individuals who do not have access to debit card and credit cards, maybe people like in the Latin American. And so you may discover that the option they have to pay is on cash on delivery. And therefore, by using cash on delivery payment method on Shopify, it extends your market. And that is simply how you simply add cash on delivery payment method on Shopify. I hope this has been helpful. Kindly like this video, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.